Hello everyone, we got barbecue chicken on the menu. Hey guys, welcome to the Realist family. This is your girl Shana. Today I'll be cooking for my family. Stay tuned. I already took off the skin and I'm going in with my lemon. I have to clean that meat. 3 things I like to use to clean my meat: salt, vinegar, and lemon. I'm putting all my season on: Maggi, garlic, paprika for a little bit of color, but most of the ingredients are in the Maggi. Y'all, while I was cooking, I was so hungry. I only had 1 meal for the day. This will be my 2nd meal. I don't know why it takes so long to eat. But for the kids, I make sure they always eat on time. I just need to start doing better. So my meat is ready to go inside the pot. I usually fry it a little bit to give it some color. I'm going in with my oil. I don't need too much. So I'm planning on fixing the barbecue sauce. Usually I add my ingredients to it to give it more flavor. I don't like the plain barbecue sauce. I like to top it up a little bit. Everyone has their way of cooking and the flavors that they like the most. I'm taking out the amount that I needed. After this, I'll wash my vegetable. So I wash it, so I'm going in with my cheese. And I also have some apples. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.